those of you kids who are just starting to trick-or-treat this year, this is how you trick-or-treat. Trick-or-treat!
What do you want?
I want candy.
Let me see. Empty. You have enough.
What the?
See you, kid.
That man is mean.
The time is now 2 o'clock in the morning.
Kid, what do you want?
Trick or treat! I know it's 2 o'clock in the morning, but I just felt like I didn't get any candy. All I got was socks.
More socks. Happy birthday.
What?
Kid, it's good enough.
These aren't even my size. What? Are you trying to kill me?
See you, kid.
The time is now November 2nd, 3 o'clock.
Trick or
It's
treat!
November 2nd at 3 o'clock in the morning. Give me your basket.
Trick or treat!
Give me it.
What? No! Where is he taking my basket?
The time is now December 25th, 2 p.m.
Trick or treat!
Oh, it's you.
Do I get candy?
Yes, you get candy. Here's an iPhone.
Yay!
Take it.
Yay!
Take it.
I'll take it.
Ooh, what does this button do?